Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Today's presentation focuses on the DTC B1658, which indicates an open circuit in the rear bumper left front antenna. This error can potentially affect your vehicle's keyless access system, specifically impacting the communication between the antenna and the keyless access control unit. The keyless access control unit plays a significant role in enabling intelligent entry and start of the vehicle without mechanical key use. Understanding this DTC requires us to investigate the physical and electrical components involved, including the rear bumper left front antenna itself, which is typically located at the vehicle's rear bumper area. We'll go through the integral diagnostic steps to effectively troubleshoot this issue, ensuring a methodical approach to resolving it. The DTC B1658 indicates an open circuit in the rear bumper left front antenna, which is critical for the vehicle's keyless access functionality. This antenna is positioned on the rear bumper to detect proximity signals from the smart key fob. It connects to the keyless access control unit, allowing for features like unlocking the doors automatically when the fob is near. If the circuit is open, it means there is a disruption in the electrical pathway, preventing the control unit from receiving signals. This can lead to issues with locking and unlocking the vehicle, impacting user convenience and security. Identifying the issues in this circuit is essential for restoring proper function. When troubleshooting DTC B1658, several possible causes are to be investigated. A faulty rear bumper left front antenna could be the primary reason for the open circuit, meaning that the antenna itself may need to be replaced if deemed defective during testing. Another common cause is poor connections. Loose or corroded wiring terminals can interrupt the signal. Wiring issues, such as cut or damaged wires in the EXT-TR lines, can also result in this fault. Each of these causes can prevent the keyless access system from operating effectively, making it necessary to systematically test them to diagnose the issue accurately. Addressing these problems promptly helps maintain the vehicle's functionality. The symptoms of DTC B1658 are typically associated with keyless entry failures. Drivers may notice that the vehicle does not respond as expected when the key fob is near, experiencing difficulty in unlocking the doors or starting the engine without inserting a key. Another potential symptom is an inconsistent locking mechanism. You might find that doors lock or unlock at random or not at all, leading to frustration. Additionally, warning lights on the dashboard may illuminate, indicating a malfunction in the keyless access system. Recognizing these symptoms early can facilitate timely diagnosis and repair, ensuring a seamless user experience with the vehicle's access features. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1658 involves verifying the problem. Begin by clearing all DTCs using the HDS, or Honda Diagnostic System, to ensure you are starting from a clean slate. Once clear, select the keyless access control unit in the One Push Start System menu. From there, perform a self-check, which allows the system to evaluate its own functionality. After running the self-check, check for any DTCs again. If DTC B1658 appears, it confirms the presence of the open circuit in the rear bumper antenna. If not, this may indicate an intermittent failure, suggesting further investigation into loose connections might be necessary. In this step, we move on to checking the body control module's output in relation to the rear bumper left front antenna. Initiate this by ensuring the vehicle is in off, lock mode. Subsequently, disconnect the rear bumper LF antenna 2P connector, allowing you to isolate the circuit for testing. Next, turn the vehicle to the on mode. This energized state is crucial for checking electrical outputs. Then, measure the voltage between designated test points within the disconnected connector. If voltage is present, this indicates that the body control module is functioning, and the issue likely lies within the antenna itself, necessitating its replacement. Conversely, if no voltage is detected, further investigation is warranted. The third step involves checking for any open wire connections within the EXT-TR lines, which are crucial for the communication between the rear bumper antenna and the body control module. Begin by placing the vehicle in off-lock mode. Then, connect the terminals labeled A and B using a jumper wire, ensuring that the circuit can bypass any potential breaks. Following this, disconnect the body control module connector, F, which contains critical wiring for the communication lines. With the jumper in place, verify continuity between specified test points in the body control module connector. If continuity is confirmed, the wiring is functional, and you may need to replace the body control module. However, if continuity is absent, this suggests an open circuit or high resistance in the lines, requiring repair. After the necessary repairs have been executed, it is vital to conduct a final verification to ensure the issue has been resolved. Use the HDS to confirm that the system is free of any DTCs, particularly ensuring that DTC B1658 no longer appears. This is a key indicator that the previously identified problems have been effectively addressed. Additionally, perform a test of the keyless access system to confirm that locking and unlocking mechanisms function flawlessly. Observing the behavior of the system during testing can provide reassurance that the repair is successful and that the system is back to its intended operational state. To prevent recurrence of DTC B1658 and maintain proper functionality of the keyless access system, regular preventive maintenance is essential. Start with frequent inspections of the connectors associated with the rear bumper left front antenna. Ensuring they are secure can minimize issues caused by loose connections. Additionally, regularly check the wiring for signs of damage, such as fraying or corrosion, which can lead to open or short circuits over time. Proper functioning of electrical systems helps avoid inconvenience associated with keyless entry failures. Establishing a maintenance schedule can greatly extend the lifespan and performance of these components, keeping your vehicle's convenience features operating smoothly. In conclusion, understanding DTC B1658 and its implications for the rear bumper LF antenna circuit is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the vehicle's keyless access system. A systematic approach to troubleshooting helps pinpoint issues efficiently, whether they lie within the antenna itself, wiring, or connections. Employing the steps outlined ensures thorough checks so that any faults can be addressed promptly. Additionally, preventive maintenance plays a proactive role in mitigating future problems. Adhering to these practices ensures that your Honda CRV remains reliable and user-friendly, enhancing the overall ownership experience with uninterrupted access features. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.